Fox is a company that started in 1972. We do HVAC work, plumbing, and electrical work.
I would say we are one of the most reliable companies in Austin. We've been around for over 50 years. People know we're not going anywhere.
It's a family atmosphere, homegrown. People that work here have worked here for years. I've been here for almost 10 years now. The values have not changed. The industry's changed. The equipment has changed. Certain things have, but taking care of customers and creating a culture and environment where employees want to work, that's not changed.
What it means for Fox to serve the community is pretty big for me. We do a lot for veterans. So once a year, we'll give a free system to a veteran in need. So it hits home because I'm a veteran myself. The customer experience gets better every time we go out because weekly we do training with our employees and we role play a lot to make sure that our customers are getting the best experience that they possibly can. Being a part of the community is huge to my team because everybody has either grown up around here or they're transplants that have been here for years. So we see each other, we see our neighbors at the grocery store, and we get phone calls and Facebook messages like, hey, can you come help me? And it happens at least on a weekly basis.
What I want homeowners to feel after they're done working with Fox is I want it to be a positive experience. Generally, if we ever go out there for a service problem, it's not a positive situation at that point in time, but we want to make them feel confident that we can take care of their issues and make the customers comfortable and get them back up and operating so that they're comfortable in their house.
What I want homeowners to feel when we're done giving them services, I want them to feel a sense of trust. I want them to feel like we did everything in our possibility to help them solve their problem, and we were fair while doing it.